Muscles are essential for our bodies. They are responsible for all movements, from simple tasks like walking and talking to more complex activities like playing sports or lifting heavy objects. Muscles also play a crucial role in maintaining our posture, stabilizing our joints, and regulating our body temperature. Without muscles, we wouldn't be able to interact with the world around us. Muscles are made up of specialized cells called muscle fibers, which contain contractile proteins that allow them to shorten and generate force. This force is what allows us to move our limbs, breathe, and even digest our food. Muscles are incredibly adaptable and can change in size and strength in response to various stimuli, such as exercise or lack thereof. Understanding how muscles grow and the factors that influence this process is crucial for anyone looking to improve their physical performance, overall health, and well-being. Whether you're an athlete aiming to enhance your athletic abilities, a fitness enthusiast looking to build a more muscular physique, or simply someone who wants to maintain their muscle mass and strength as they age, knowing how to optimize muscle growth is essential. Muscle activation is the process by which our brains communicate with our muscles, telling them when to contract and generate force. This process begins with a signal from the brain which travels down the spinal cord and out to the nerves that innervate our muscles. When the signal reaches the muscle fibers, it triggers a series of chemical reactions that cause the contractile proteins within the muscle fibers to interact, resulting in muscle contraction. Muscle growth, also known as muscle hypertrophy, is the process by which our muscles increase in size. This occurs when the rate of muscle protein synthesis, the process by which our bodies build new muscle proteins, exceeds the rate of muscle protein breakdown, the process by which our bodies break down existing muscle proteins. When we engage in resistance training, we create microscopic tears in our muscle fibers. These micro-tears signal the body to repair and rebuild the damaged muscle tissue, making it bigger and stronger than before. This process of muscle damage and repair is essential for muscle growth. However, it's important to note that muscle growth doesn't happen overnight. It takes consistent effort and the right conditions to stimulate muscle hypertrophy. Several factors influence muscle growth, including training variables, nutrition, hormones, and genetics. Training variables such as training volume, sets and reps, training intensity, weight lifted, and training frequency, workouts per week, play a crucial role in stimulating muscle growth. Nutrition, particularly protein intake, is essential for providing the building blocks for muscle protein synthesis. Hormones, such as testosterone and growth hormone, are also critical for muscle growth as they regulate muscle protein synthesis and breakdown. Genetics also plays a significant role in determining an individual's muscle growth potential. Some individuals are genetically predisposed to building muscle more easily than others due to factors such as muscle fiber type distribution and hormone levels. Understanding these factors and how they interact is crucial for optimizing muscle growth. For example, individuals with a higher muscle growth potential due to their genetics may see results with less training volume or protein intake compared to those with lower genetic potential. To optimize muscle growth, it's essential to create an environment that maximizes muscle protein synthesis and minimizes muscle protein breakdown. This involves a multifaceted approach that includes following a well-structured resistance training program, consuming adequate protein and calories, getting enough rest and recovery, and managing stress levels. Resistance training should be tailored to your individual needs and goals, progressively overloading your muscles over time to stimulate continuous growth. Aim for a training program that targets all major muscle groups utilizing a variety of exercises and rep ranges. Consuming enough protein is crucial for providing your body with the amino acids it needs to build and repair muscle tissue. Aim for a daily protein intake of around 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Finally, remember that muscle growth is a gradual process that requires patience, consistency, and a holistic approach. By following these guidelines and staying committed to your training and nutrition, you can maximize your muscle growth potential and achieve your desired physique and performance goals.